Hello YouTube, my name is Andressa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have Uzair here. We are going to talk a little bit about on how to start selling products online. So I've gotten a few questions from different people because as you guys know, I did start my own athletic wear company and I sell leggings, tops, zip-ups, everything online, and I'm actually going to be start selling on Amazon. I was selling through Shopify and that did really well, but Amazon, as you guys know, it's blowing up. But Amazon, it's kind of tricky to sell on Amazon. So I found his videos on YouTube and literally I watched so many and he was the most helpful one. So I figured we could collab and he can talk a little bit about how to start selling, the process, and I can also help. And then you guys are welcome to go to his page and watch the videos because he literally covers every topic. So whenever I have any questions on how to add my products to Amazon, I watch his videos. He is the person that you will go to, okay? So he's gonna talk a little bit about how to start it. It's gonna be a quick video, and then feel free to ask us any questions on the comments that you guys have. But selling online, there's a lot of money that you can make, and it's easy money if you know how to do it the right way.
Alright, so first of all, I would like to thank you, Andressa, for inviting me on this show and share my knowledge with your audience, because you have said it right. Like, there is a lot of money in online, like if you sell your products online on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, so there's a lot of money. But there's a lot of scammers out there as well. You can see that there are many people who are actually selling their course, but after reading or after taking their course, people are not getting successful. But before getting started, let me just give you a disclaimer that I'm not here to sell any course or anything to you, because everything regarding e-commerce or Amazon selling is already present on my YouTube channel for free. You can just go on YouTube, type ways to sell online, and after clicking on my channel, go to the playlist named How to Sell on Amazon FBA. And here you can find each and every video step by step on every topic, which can make you from zero to hero in Amazon FBA selling, and you can start your Amazon FBA business successfully. So before getting started, I'm just going to show you something like how I started my e-commerce journey, how I launched my first product, and I'm going to share with you all of the stats, like how much I paid to advertisement, how much I paid to supplier, and at the end of my first year, how much money I made. So you can just get some motivation, and then after getting the history of that product, you'll go to my YouTube channel and see how I made it. Like, I have created each and every video on each and every topic, so you can just go there and learn for free. So right now I'm just going to share my screen to just show you what actually happened with me for this product. And after that, I launched multiple products which are having the same stats. Here I'm just showing my screen.
And like you said, there are a lot of scammers out there, because I've had a couple of people that before watching his videos, tried reaching out to, and they were charging me thousands and thousands of dollars. And it's just courses that won't help you. If you follow the steps like he does, it's a simple process and it's very, very doable.
Yes, there's a little too much difference between the scammers and the authentic person out there. Like, there are things that are working. Like, I also provide services to the people, but I don't sell any kind of course which are having no values. Like when you're watching some course, you are just watching the videos and you are not doing it practically. And everything varies from product to product. Like, there are some products that are in high demand, low competition, and there are some products that are having high profit but low competition. So just like that, you can see in front of me, I have opened one PPC dashboard for one of my product. So this is the PPC dashboard and this is the sales dashboard. So as you can see here, today's sales are 29 units, and if I just put the filter for past 14 months, because I launched this product in September 2021. So from here, if I filter out this sales report, so you can see that in 14 months I got 4,500 units sold, and the total revenue was around 150,000. Like, it's like $200 less. So this is the revenue for one product for 14 months. And if I go to the PPC tab, you can see that the total amount spent on PPC is $15,000, right? So as you can see here, these are the organic sales, and these are the PPC sales, and these are the organic sales. So the total sales were 4,507 and the PPC sales was 1,179. So it's all about the product. Like, it's all about the PPC campaign and it's all about the product quality. So the 50% game depends on the PPC campaign and 50% depends on the quality of the product in the listing. So we first need to understand the PPC. Like, PPC is an Amazon tool from which you can just put some money on PPC and advertise your product to audience. Like you are say giving money to Amazon and saying that please show my product to some people who are actually want to purchase that particular product. So PPC bring customer to your listing, but then what? It's their decision to purchase your product or not. So if your product will be good, your listing will be optimized, your title, bullet point, description, and your images will be good, then only your customer will purchase. But if you are putting some money into the PPC, but your listing is not optimized, your images are not optimized, and you are not giving the full information about your product to audience, then they will not purchase. So 50% of the focus you need to do on PPC, and the rest focus you need to do on listing optimization. So if the PPC bring customer to your listing and then your listing will be good, then they will purchase, otherwise they will not purchase. So as you can see here, the A cost, which is the basically the ratio between your ad spend and your sale, is 37% here. So the A cost anywhere between 30% to 40% is great. But if your A cost is high like 50% or 80%, that will be bad. So if you want to make profit, so you need to make your A cost, or you need to bring your A cost lower. So as you can see here, all of the stats are in front of you. Like 15,000 total spend, and against that spend I got $41,000 sale. So these sales are only from PPC. But if I see total sales, so they are $150,000. So if I deduct the amount of money which I spent on advertisement, so after deducting that amount, I still get $135,000. So if I just deduct the amount of all of the expenses, the amount I pay to supplier, the amount I pay for shipping, so after that I got just $58,000 or $59,000 profit from this one product. So this is my journey from my first product. If you also learn each and everything from Amazon step by step, like from product research to product launch, then you'll be able to make the same, and you can have the same results like this.
Very helpful. And the money is great because he made all of this on Amazon. He isn't, advertising this on TV. He's not advertising this with millions of followers. So a lot of people think, oh, I need to have a big following to make money on Amazon. That is not true, right? Amazon has the tools. You just got to know how to use it.
Yeah, right. So no matter you are having a following for fitness, like Andressa is having the fitness related following. So if you are a chef, you are having a kitchen following, so you can just start selling your kitchen product. If you are a sportsman, you can just start selling your sports product, or no matter from which category you belong, you can just start selling your product on that category. And there are a lot of potential, still having a lot of potential in each and every category, like baking, sports, baby, or any category you want.
And we can make a video too, or I gotta go through your videos because a lot of people have questions on how to even start selling a product. But like we said, you gotta choose a category, what you want to sell, and a lot of your videos do talk about that, right?
Yeah, right. So I know all of the pains of seller, like there are some new seller who are having too many questions, like in which category they start looking for the product, and in which category they can get more profit, or which category is easy to launch. So I basically customize all of those topics and write all of those topics which can be helpful to the new seller and even old seller. So I just make the playlist. You can just see that if you go on my YouTube channel, type ways to sell online, and from there if you click on this playlist button, so you can see that I am having playlist of multiple questions. Like for example, you can see that this is the 8C playlist, this is how to sell a product on TikTok playlist, and if you go right side, you can see my biggest playlist is for Amazon.
Because I watch his videos for Amazon, even helping, adding how to add a product, how to manage the sizes, variations, his videos, and I watched so many videos. I'm glad I found his because I was just watching videos and it was just very broad. He is very, and then his videos are quick. So it really helps because I could just rewatch the video over and over again. It was a quick video, and if you follow the steps, it actually works. So that really helps for Amazon. And he also has, if you want to sell on Etsy, I know my sister is going to start selling things on Etsy, so I'm going to have her watch his videos because it's really helpful. And the best way to learn something is by copying someone that actually knows what they're doing and made money.
Yeah, actually. So you can see that my number one playlist is how to sell products on Amazon, and there are 94 videos in that playlist, and I'm keep adding more videos day by day. So if you click on this view full playlist, so you can see that you can find each and every information about Amazon on this playlist, like how you can start selling, how you can start PPC, how you can find product, how you can evaluate product, and how you can actually make your decision, like either you need to sell that product or not. like from complete A to Z: product research, product ranking, product sourcing, listing creation, listing optimization, how you can just get eye-catchy photos, how you can just get more clicks and more sales, and how you can actually increase profit and lower the marketing budget. So you can see that there are many other videos like there, like all of the problem which Amazon seller are having. So I basically, whenever I solve any kind of problem, so I just record that video and upload that video on YouTube. So other people can also take the help from that video.
My biggest problem was adding variants to the page, so he showed me, and there were 2 different ways. So if one way doesn't work, he actually has another video and you can try it a different way, because with Amazon, that's kind of how it goes. So it was really, really helpful and it actually worked. So I'm going to start my store in January because the videos are really helping.
Yes, I think you saw this video, like how to create Amazon variation.
My favorite one.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so anything else you want to ask, or?
No, that's all. We can definitely make another video, like I said, if people have questions. And like I said, his page is your go-to page if you want to learn about anything. If you're trying to sell on Amazon, running ads. I know a lot of people want to start selling products online, but they just don't know how to. So the best way to do it is by watching someone that knows how to do it. And personally, that's what I did that with Shopify. And now I said Amazon is a little bit more tricky than Shopify. I started selling Shopify, but I learned through watching videos on YouTube. And then I thought Amazon would be just as easy, but Amazon is not that easy. And you really need to find someone with knowledge to follow the steps, or else it's going to be a headache and you're going to want to give up. Because I was, searching videos, trying to find information. But when I ran across this page, it really, really helped. And it's really good quality content.
Yes, sure. Some people get confused about Amazon and Shopify. Like they think that these both things are like same, but there is a huge difference between all of them. Like Shopify different thing, Amazon different thing. Like in Shopify, you need to keep running ads. Like for example, if you're bringing traffic from outside source like TikTok, Pinterest, or even Google, so you can just drive that traffic to Shopify and then put some ads. And when you run ads, you can get sale. But as soon as you stop your advertisement, then your sales will be low. But Amazon is different thing. Like Amazon is a search engine itself, because people go on Amazon and search for the product they want. So if you list your product on Amazon and you rank all of your products on all of those keywords who are actually searched by the people, so Amazon can rank your product and can promote your product for free. So Amazon is a marketplace where there are already a buyer who is waiting for you to purchase a product. So if you rank your product, so your buyer can find you and purchase your product. So it is basically an asset. So for example, today you start selling on Amazon. So after 1 or 2 years, you will be having a lot of sales and lot of sales history and reviews. So you will be an old seller and your listing will be credible. So people can get more and more from you.
And you don't even have to leave your house to make that much money,
Yes, because you can just you can just analyze like how much sales you are getting per day, how much sales you are getting per week and per month. So you can just plan your stock according to that, and you can just send all of the stock to Amazon FBA warehouse, so they can just pick, pack and ship for you, and you can just sit back and relax. You can just focus on marketing and just you can just keep accounting, you can just keep reordering from supplier and enjoy the sales.
Yeah, that's it. It can be simple if you put the effort in.
Yeah. But it's not that simple. Like it will take you some time to learn. Like in my initial day, I basically takes 4 to 5 months to learn properly, because if you don't learn it properly, you can just lose your money.
Yeah, and then you end up losing money, and that's why it's really important for people to actually watch videos and learn and take your time. If you have to watch the video 10 times, watch it 10 times. That's what I was doing, just watching it and copying, watching and copying, and eventually you're gonna get it.
Yes, and sometimes copy paste will not work, because the scenario which I will be explaining in the video, so your scenario or someone else's scenario can be different. Like if your product is clothing related, so there can be different kind of variation. But if you are selling shoes, so there can be different kind of variation. In shoes there are multiple sizes, in gloves there are even multiple sizes, so you need to learn properly.
Okay, so yeah guys, this was the video. Very quick, informative, and like I said, he has all the tools that you need, and it's free. You can just go on the page and watch the videos, which is awesome. And so we will be posting again. Like I said, if you guys have any questions that we didn't cover, I'll be more than happy to, go ahead and make more videos with him, because yeah, it's just really helpful. And like I said, there's so much money to be made. You can make $10,000 from your room, from your from your couch. And even moms, you know, if you have, I have a baby, and it's so much easier to just work from your computer, so it's really, really worth it. And we are really, really excited to just help as many people as you can. So thank you for watching this. Make sure to subscribe to his channel, go comment, watch the video, subscribe to mine, and we will be back.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.